How to watch movie on Discord mobile with friends. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing the ways to watch movie on Discord through your mobile phone. So in order to watch movie on Discord, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log in into your Discord account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now from the top right hand side corner, go ahead and tap the try bar icon and select a particular server. Now you'll need to go ahead and generate a call. So for that, go to general, and after that click voices button. So in order to watch movie on Discord, there's no such direct method. So basically what you can do is you can screen share, and after that you can just tap the screen in order to screen share it and tap on share screen. Once you do that, now you'll be able to share your screen on Discord application from where you're actually watching the movie, or simply go ahead and share the screen and you'll be able to enjoy movie together with your friends. So in this way you can watch movie on Discord with your friends. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.